In this video, we're going to talk about a great feature here in Adobe Express. And what this feature will do is allow you to create collages out of videos very quickly and very easily. So to get started, I'm going to go to the purple plus button and select video. Here in videos, I'm going to add several clips. And for this demo, I'm just going to select from the predefined videos down here. So I'll use the technology section, select this video. I'm going to click off the video, go back to videos again, select another video. I don't have to size it, just click off. I'm going to go to view all, select this video, click off, select this video, click off, get a couple more. Let's do this one and this one, and let's just do one more, this one right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all these videos by clicking and dragging over the top of them. Once I do that, I can come over here to create collage, and it will automatically collage these videos for me. And if I hit play, we will see all these videos running at the same time. Now, one thing to be careful about as these videos are running, if it's a situation where the video is shorter than some of the others, you can see that they'll start to disappear away from your screen. So you'll want to check the timing, and if the timing doesn't match, you can always grab the edge of your footage and drag it over to make sure that your footage has all of your pieces in it. If you want to make sure your piece goes on longer, you'll need to select longer footage to use in your collage. Well, that's it for this week. Hope to see you again next week for another quick tip.